Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese vegetable using an easy method. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, or bell peppers. Wash them thoroughly and chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures they cook evenly and are pleasant to eat. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking for 1 minute. Now let's cook our vegetables. You can steam them for about 5 to 7 minutes or blanch them quickly in boiling water until they are tender crisp. Avoid overcooking, as they will continue to cook slightly in the sauce. For the cheese sauce, slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of milk to your roux, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Add 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, stirring until it's completely melted, and the sauce is smooth and creamy. With your cheese sauce ready, it's time to combine everything. Gently fold the tender crisp vegetables into the warm, creamy cheese sauce. Make sure every piece is beautifully coated. Now, for seasoning, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of nutmeg. These spices enhance the flavor without overpowering the natural taste of the vegetables and cheese. Stir everything together carefully to distribute the seasonings evenly. Your delicious cheese vegetable dish is now ready to be served. It's best enjoyed immediately while the cheese sauce is warm and creamy. You can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of paprika for an extra touch of color and flavor. This dish makes a fantastic side or a light main course. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, easy cheese vegetable creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.